sledu, colli cariad i gymydog, colli conkers o langadog. I'r tip ar holl boen edrych gwyddo, gan gofyd fod ar blat symudo, neu golli mwy ar hyd y daith, a ryw forgais a llwgrw o brwyaeth.
Open your tongues, open your lungs. The language of mums, of kids, of screaming animals, of insane cannibals. The sounds that seeps to the soil that coils itself into a meaning, a certain leaning. Tongues, my lungs. This is the way some songs are sung, man. Yeah, you know what I mean. Don't be lying in. Don't dare put your boots in. You know I'm not timid, and you know I know there's no limit. I smell the fresh fungus thrown out from the lap of the gods. You know I hear meaning in the wails of a rabbit, three-legged dog. Tongues, open your lungs. Tongues, open your lungs. Tongues, open your doors. Tongues, carpets of life, grows through the dog dung, comes from the lungs. Earth tongues, grows through the sounds of time. Grass carpets covering minuscule dynamic adventure from which the fungus grow. How little we know, death and life, powerful, precise, of mice and men, sharing strange complex rhythms. Sounds of the living that's given meaning of point. Flows and grows, mutates, deviates, warms the soul, carries the spirit, seeps to the soil or to the furthest stars.